Area of a circle. The area of a circle is the space occupied by the circle in a two-dimensional plane. This is the explanation for definition for area of a circle. Area of a circle is the space occupied by the circle. Okay. Suppose if you have a circle, okay, if you have a circle, then the space occupied by the circle is called area. Okay, and the formula to find area of a circle is pi r square units. Since it is area, we have to write square units. It is r square. R square means we have to multiply r 2 times, r into r. So area of the circle, it is pi into r into r. It is pi r square. We have exercise problems. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. So here we have a dining table. It is in circular shape and the diameter of the dining table is given. It is given as 105. Now we are going to find the area of the dining table. First we'll write the formula. Area of the circle, it is pi r square. It is given diameter equal to 105 centimeter. Okay. Now we know the diameter equal to 2 times of r. To find area of a circle, we need the value of r. Right? If we know r, then only we can substitute it. But here they didn't give r value. Instead they have given diameter. So first we have to find r, and we know that d equal to 2 times of r. So 2r equal to d value, it is given as 105. So r equal to 105 by 2. Why? Because these two are in multiplication. While you are bringing one number to another side, it will become division. Multiplication, when you are bringing to another side of equal to sign, will become division. Division will become multiplication. So 105 by 2. Now we'll divide 105 by 2. 105, I'm going to divide it by 2. We cannot divide 1 by 2, so we'll take the first two numbers. So 5 2s are 10, remaining 0. Then we'll bring down 5. In 5 we have 2 times. 2 times of 2, it is 4, remaining 1. Remainder, it should not be 1, it should be 0. So here we have only 1. It is not divisible by 2. So what we have to do is just we'll keep a point in the quotient so that we can add one 0 in the remainder. In 10 we have 5 times of 2. 5 2s are 10. Now the remainder is 0. Therefore the quotient is 52.5. So if you cancel 105 by 2, then we'll get the answer as 52.5. Now we have got the value of r. We'll substitute it. So area equal to 22 by 7 into r square, that is 52.5 into 52.5. Okay. Now I'm going to cancel this, and 52.5, it can be divided by 7. I'll divide and show here. 52.5, we are going to divide it by 7. First we'll take the first two numbers. 7 7s are 49, remaining 3. Now we have to bring down the next number. But before bringing down the next number, here we have a point. So just we'll move this point in the quotient. Then you bring down this number. Now it is 35. In 35 we have 5 times of 7. So 5 7s are 35. Therefore, if we cancel, we will get 7.5. Okay. Now we have to multiply all these numbers. 22 into 7.5 into 52.5. If you don't know decimal division, just listen. What we have to do is just remove the point. Okay, 22 into 75 into 525. You just multiply these three numbers. If you multiply, you will get the answer as 8,0866250. Now here in this one, after one digit we have a point. Here after one digit we have a point. 1 plus 1 2. So in our final answer, after 2 digits we should keep a point, and after a point at last, if it is 0, we need not write that, so we can omit that. Therefore the answer is 8662.5, and it is square units. We have described it is square units. So whatever units it is given, that we'll write, and square, centimeter square. If it is given in meter, we have to write meter square. Okay. And in your note, we have to write these in our rough column. Okay, you can write all these in rough column, and this multiplication also can be done in rough column.